Hey guys, well, I'm not going to tell you who I am because every week we put a video up on YouTube from Ultimate Diesel Tuning and it looks really polished, but I must say it's not all me. It's the people behind the camera, like Dave and Tess, who make it happen. So here's a little bit of footage over the last year of all the things that I do that you don't really see because I stuff up a heap. So check it all out. Hope you enjoy my stuff ups and have a laugh at me. Cheers, guys. Ready? That fucking shitbox is about to try and start again. Ready? On top of doing the custom dyno tune, we also did it. On top of doing the custom dyno tune, we also did an on-car coming. On top of doing the custom dyno tune, we're also going to do. Man, what's going on? That guy's really got to get some glow plugs. That shitbox never starts. And remember, make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.
That was really gay at the end.
I did a big cheesy one. Tuning experts. As well as that, we're able to fix all your questions about your common rail.
No, that was just really awkward.
That was, wasn't it?
We're going to fix all your questions. What the fuck?
I heard the bird, that put me off. Are the guys at Fulcrum busy over there? My steering wheel's not straight, it shits me. What the f is that, Dave? Huh? 200,000 kilometers on the clock. All important, we check the injectors because around that point in these vehicles, we need to ensure the injector's in good order for this vehicle. I don't know whether it's had new injectors. A custom dyno can improve economy. Custom dyno tune, yeah. Doing so, that's how we see a massive improvement. The more energy that vehicle needs. Did you pick that up probably, Dave? And how that can have a significant impact.
Cruise control, believe it or not, it can cause these can cause that.
The pedal, and when I say that, it's referring to on and off the that sounded terrible. Sorry, Dave. What it does have an impact in, especially, is if you're a mechanic, we've got a great opportunity for you to come join our work. Make sure they get in contact with us. Sorry. That didn't sound motivating at all. Right, guys, we've just finished fitting up the rear end of the car and the wagon with all drawers and fridge as well. Does it even have that? Hey guys, this is Tessa White from Ultimate Diesel Tuning and I do all the marketing. And this is a 2020, one of the last ones ever made. Wish I never sold mine. I love all my cars. Kiss and hug them every time they go. Diesel tuning. Well, behind me is a and missing tune. Wrap that. Bit rusty, aren't I? Huh? So the owner of this 200 series wanted one of the Transpac Tier 300s. As well as that, we're all going to say, it's a 9-year-old car. It's past. It's Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today I want to talk about you. Sorry, Dave. Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate. Well, it's that time of year again where it's I forgot what it was. We're at the, sorry Dave. Well, tomorrow we're going to be at the 4x4 show here at the Melbourne Showgrounds. No, we're not here. She has more shoes than there are Hiluxes. You're not too hot, Dave?
Okay.
I want to make sure you're okay, Dave.
Yeah.
That's good. Inspection. This one's...
It has been done.
No, you're yawning. I can hear you yawn. Yeah. Was that you?
No.
I'm happy with that one. For a custom dyno tune. Well guys, another Isuzu 4JJ3 custom dyno tune by us. I'd have to say right now, these are probably the most broken... You get this unreal kit, use it yourself, or give it away for a Christmas gift. That shit, delete all that, Dave. I'll do that again. Really good order. That makes it really, hope you've had a great Christmas and you're ready to kick the year off in a great shitload of piss, I don't know. Yeah, ready? You've had a great Christmas and festive, just get out of here. I got stage fright, mate. First of all, we're not gonna get this. I'm fucking, all over the place.